Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're checking out what might just be the best dog construction worker costume on the market, the Frienda dog helmet and goggles set. If you want your furry friend to look both adorable and safe, especially when riding along on your motorcycle or scooter, this combination of a padded helmet and UV protection goggles could be the perfect fit. The package includes a lightweight, durable dog helmet made from quality ABS material, paired with a sturdy set of dog goggles featuring hard lenses made from PC and AC materials. The helmet comes with an adjustable nylon chin strap and a soft, detachable sponge mat inside to ensure your pet's comfort. The goggles also have an adjustable double strap for both head and chin, which makes fitting them to your dog easy and secure. These features mean your pup can wear the gear comfortably without it slipping or causing discomfort. Designed specifically for small dogs and some cats, this set fits breeds like Pomeranians, Chihuahuas, Yorkshires, Pugs, and Maltese, among others. The helmet measures about 12.3 inches in circumference with a strap length adjustable between 6.5 to 7.5 inches, while the goggles fit head circumferences between 8.6 to 12.6 inches. These measurements ensure a snug fit without being too tight, giving your pet a secure experience whether on the road or just out for a fun walk. Safety is the key benefit here. The helmet helps protect your dog's head from impact, and the goggles shield their eyes from harmful UV rays, wind, dust, and debris. This can be especially important when your pet accompanies you on outdoor adventures, motorcycle rides, or even on busy city streets. Plus, it makes your dog look super cool in the process. Beyond practical use, the Frienda dog helmet and goggles set is perfect for special occasions too. You can dress up your pet for parties, weddings, holidays, or just to turn heads on a casual outing. The bright yellow color adds visibility, which is a nice bonus for safety in low-light conditions. At just over 3.5 ounces, the set is lightweight and easy for your pet to wear without feeling weighed down. The materials are also easy to care for, with the soft sponge mat being detachable and washable to keep things fresh and clean. While this set is mainly aimed at small breeds, it's thoughtfully designed with adjustability to accommodate various head sizes comfortably. This makes it versatile for different pups and easy for pet owners to get just right. In summary, the Frienda dog helmet and goggles offer a blend of safety, style, and comfort for your small dog. Whether it's for motorcycle rides, outdoor activities, or dressing up for a fun event, this set stands out as a top choice for any pet owner looking to protect their furry friend while making a statement. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.